Artificial sources of light with examples in daily life. When it comes to artificial sources of light, we have a variety of options to choose from. Some examples of artificial light includes light bulbs, flashlights, and LEDs. Understanding how these sources of light work and why we need them is essential to make the best lighting choices. In this video, we are going to answer, first, how do artificial sources of light works? Second, why do we need artificial sources of light? And in the end, we will give you some examples of artificial sources of light. So let's get started with our first question. How do artificial sources of light work? Artificial sources of light typically use an electric current to activate a gas or chemical reaction which produces visible light. These sources can be used to illuminate our homes, workplaces, and other areas where natural sunlight is not available. Now comes our second question, which is, why do we need artificial sources of light? We all know that human beings do not have an ability to see in the dark. So these sources are created to mimic the properties of natural sunlight that comes from sun. Now these sources are used for a variety of applications, from providing general lighting for homes and businesses to specialized purposes such as lighting for night driving and photography. The use of artificial lighting also helps to create a more comfortable environment in terms of temperature and color, allowing people to be more productive during the day or night. Overall, they can have numerous benefits and are becoming increasingly popular. They provide improved energy efficiency and can help to create a more comfortable working or living environment. Furthermore, they can help to improve safety in low-light areas and can even help to reduce the reliance on natural sunlight. For these reasons, examples of artificial sources of light are becoming increasingly common in many homes and businesses. Now let's explore some examples of artificial sources of light used in our daily life. First, incandescent light bulb. The most common example of an artificial source of light is the incandescent light bulb. This bulb works by passing an electric current through a thin wire filament, which causes the filament to heat up and emit visible light. Second, light-emitting diode. LEDs are much more efficient than other types of artificial lighting, as they convert up to 90% of their energy into visible light. Third, halogen lamps. Halogen lamps are usually used in car headlights and spotlights, as they generate a powerful beam of focus light that can reach far distances. Fourth, neon lights. Neon lights are glowing tubes filled with a gas composed of neon or another noble gas, usually argon or helium. When electricity passes through the gas, it causes the gas to glow brightly. They are popularly used as decorations, especially in commercial spaces. Neon lights are extremely energy efficient, lasting up to 100,000 hours. They also generate very little heat, making them a great choice for businesses or homes looking to save on energy costs. Fifth, fluorescent lights. Fluorescent lights are a type of artificial lighting that uses an electrical discharge to excite mercury vapor, creating visible light. This type of lighting is often used in commercial buildings and offices due to its long lifespan and efficiency. You can read the full article at our website. The link is provided below in the description. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.